how to redeem gift cards on Capital One Shopping. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily redeem gift cards by looking through the FAQs in Capital One Shopping. Let's dive right in. Open up Google Chrome and then you'll need to go to capitaloneshopping.com, and on the right hand side you can see help. Tap on it, and then once the page opens up you need to scroll down and go to gift cards on the left hand side, and then here you can see how to redeem e-gift cards. So you can find all of the answers here, and you can see that to redeem your rewards, visit shopping rewards redemption. You can tap on it, and then you'll need to sign in and then redeem your gift card. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.